morning, Mom.
Have you joined in summer camp?
Yes.
What did you learn in spoken English classes in your second week? Second week ఏమేమి నేర్చుకున్నావు నువ్వు?
Yes.
Very good. What is the name of the game?
Playing.
Very good. And what vocabulary have you practiced? Emotions you have practiced, basic emotions. Okay?
Yes.
Happy, sad, angry, tired, scared, excited, surprised, thankful, pleased, love, kind. Okay? We have introduced etc. words. Okay? Can you say a sentence by using the word happy?
Yes.
Say a sentence. Tanvi is a happy baby. Okay? Use angry. Use that word angry. Which makes you angry? Love. Love. I love my mommy. I love my mother.
Hello, Mom.
Next, when will you be excited? If you see your friend after the holidays, will you feel excited?
Yes.
Very good. And next week you have learned about colors and shapes. Okay?
Colors and shapes.
Say me some colors.
Red,
Mm.
blue,
Mm.
purple,
Mm.
green,
Mm.
violet,
Mm.
white.
Mm.
Next color, ma'am.
Mm. Use a word and say me a sentence. Which color do you like the most? Which color do you like the most?
Purple color.
Purple. Take that word purple and frame a sentence.
Purple tea.
I am in purple frock today.
A pink frog.
Is that a pink one? Okay, then fine. You are correct. And next in the next class we have learnt about shapes, Tanvi. Let me know some shapes.
Triangle,
Mm.
circle,
Mm.
net.
Mm. How many sides does the triangle have? Triangle ki ఎన్ని sides ఉంటాయి?
3.
Okay. Next rectangle. You forgot to say rectangle. Okay? And the circle also. Okay? Duster is which shape? Duster is in which shape? Duster ఏ shape లో ఉంటుంది? Rectangle లో ఉంటుందా? ఓకే. ట్రయాంగిల్ లో ఉండే వస్తువు పేరు ఏదన్నా చెప్పు. ట్రయాంగిల్ లో ఏముంటుంది?
Triangle.
ఆ ట్రయాంగిల్ షేప్ లో ఏముంటుంది? ఏం కనపడుతుంది ట్రయాంగిల్ షేప్ లో? అలా ఏంటి? ఏం కనపడుతుంది ట్రయాంగిల్ షేప్ లో? టెంపుల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ షేప్ లోనే ఉంటుంది కానీ టెంపుల్స్ కి వెళ్తావుగా. Okay, animals also. You have learnt about animals. Say some of the animals that around you.
Tiger.
Tiger నీ దగ్గర ఉంటుందా? అవి వైల్డ్ యానిమల్స్ కదా. నేను అడుగుతుంది డొమెస్టిక్ యానిమల్స్. ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి చుట్టూరు? ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి నీ చుట్టూరు? ఏమేమి యానిమల్స్ ఉంటాయి రోజు?
Monkey.
ఇంకా
Lion.
లైన్ ఉంటుందా? రోజు లైన్ చూస్తావా? లైన్ ఫారెస్ట్ లో కానీ జూలో కానీ కదా ఉంటుంది.
మొన్న నేను చిన్నప్పుడు నేను ఏడ్చాను.
ఏడ్చావా? ఎందుకు ఏడ్చావు? వై డిడ్ యూ క్రై?
నాకు చాక్లెట్ కానీ నాకు కివి కావాలి.
అందుకని ఏడ్చావా? హౌ ఓల్డ్ ఆర్ యూ Tanvi? How old are you?
Happy.
How old are you? 5 years old? Are you 5 years old? 5 years old baby? Okay. Which class are you studying in? Which class?
LKG.
LKG. Have you finished your LKG?
Yes.
Okay. Are you going to join in UKG? Okay. Who is your class teacher?
Dikti ma'am.
Okay. Do you like her?
Yes.
Why do you like her?
For writing.
Writing.
Uh,
Did she make you to write?
Yes.
Okay, good job.